Greetings. I am Nicola from nn.web. Welcome to the tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a contact form with Ninja Form plugin. So let me show you how our project looks like. Here we have contact form. I don't want to recreate the whole page. This page was built in Elementor in free version. This is the title, few sentences of dummy text, one image, and our contact form. For example, let's imagine that we are a consulting company, and here we have few fields and submit button with this message. In episode before the last one, I already showed how to move this message from here to here, so I didn't recreate that also, but I will do this first name part, last name, time for consulting, email, your message, and submit button. So without further ado, let's get started. Here in our dashboard, go to plugin and click on add new. We are going to use Ninja Form plugin, so type contact form and see which plugin pop up here. The most popular one is Contact Form 7, 5 million installations, then Contact Form by WP Forms, 3 million, and very good rate. And we are going to use this one, Ninja Forms Contact Form, with 1 million active installation and pretty much solid review. Okay, click on install now. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, let's activate it. Now click here in dashboard again, click on Ninja Forms. I already created this form for my previous tutorial or episode before last one. So click here on add new. Here you can choose blank form and other types of form, but we need a blank form. Okay, and now this is pretty simple procedure. We can use drag and drop. So first part is first name. So let me find it. Okay, first name, then last name. Also we need a multi-select common field. Where is email field? And your message, paragraph text. Okay, and we need a submit button. There it is. Okay, now let's click here or here. We can change this to be just name, for example, but let's say first name. You can check here on required field, and part has asterisk symbol, and without typing first name the user can't send your email, so required. Here is information for display, and here you can type other information, for example explanation for your user, but this is pretty much self-explanatory. Let's also, if you hover over on this wheel, you can trash it, this part of form, or you can copy it, duplicate. Let's add and also set a required field. For multi-select, we can change a label for time for consulting. Okay, also this is a required field. Here we have our labels, for example 30 minutes. Okay, then 45 minutes, 60 minutes, and we can add new to 19 minutes. So if we check here, the form automatically would suggest this option to your user to select, to choose. Here you can delete label, or you can move your label up and down. In display, we can type text most customers need 45 minutes for consulting. Okay, this is additional explanation, and this explanation will place it here. Okay, email is a required field. You can add this dash, for example, if you want. And for paragraph text, let's change it to your message. And here we can put uppercase. Okay, submit button. That's good. Then let's go here on another tab before click on done and publish. Click here. You can set your success message, or you can change it here. If the sending was successful, this message will pop up here. Also, you can change your message, of course, or you can turn it off if you don't want to pop up. Now let's see the admin email. Here you can change, you can type the email where you want to get information from contact form. In my case, this is email for default admin mail for WordPress. Okay, in advanced field, you can check display settings. You can hide form title. Also, you have some options here. If you hover over or click, you can read the explanation. Also, you can set restrictions here. Okay. Now let's click on publish. Form title, second form, or any other which you prefer. Okay, one step back. Copy this code here. Copy. And go to our page, or your page where you want to display your form. Usually this is the contact page. Just as I said, I'm using the Elementor. And now let's add a new section, whole new. Let's put a width of full width without gaps. Okay. Now full boxed is our option, and 700 for width. Now let's add our HTML field and paste our code for contact form. Click on update. Click on preview. Okay, this is our contact form, but we need to add some padding. Let's click here, go to advanced, link values together, uncheck, type, for example, 100 top, 50-100 pixels for button. Let's check mobile padding, of course. We can set at 30 pixels for top, 0 for button. Click on update. Our page will be refreshed, and here we have first name and label for first name. Please fill out this field for last name. Time for consulting. The form automatically recommend this time, but your user can choose 30 minutes, 90 minutes, of course. Your email just a required field, and message is optional. You see, this is the wording. Okay, type name Nick, last name Nick. I need a 45 minutes consulting. My email is email@email.com. This is correct one, of course. My message, I don't have any message, for example, and click on submit processing, and this is the form, the message for successful submitting. Okay guys, we are at the end of this tutorial, but before end I have a few more ideas for next tutorial. For example, let's say that we could learn how to change this message here, font size, font color, or something else. Again, let's go to our contact page. Also, we can change font size or color on or font family for all of this text here. Change the asterisk color. We can round these edges and do something and do some changes for this contact form to be more eye-catchy and warm for our future customers or for your clients, for your business, and so on. Before the end, let's like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, spread the word, it is mean a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.